Morning po. So, before we proceed, I will divide the class into two groups by counting one. Okay? Get started. Let's start with our group. 1, 2, 3, start. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. All number 1 kind of sit here and number 2 kind of sit here. Chop chop. Betul dali na. I request everyone to please forward. Wala mag-over sa likod, forward. Wala mag-over sa likod. Dali na, double time. Para matapos na tayo. Double time. Dali na. Wala mag-over sa likod. Unahan-lahan.
Sigaw mo sa hangin.
Ay, 1-2 man lang. Ay, sorry.
Tapos na? Okay na? And then yung number. What number is this? 1. How about this one?
2.
Alright. 3. Another question to be given for all of you. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Sinong ready na?
Siya.
Not ready? Wait lang. Alright. Kilala nyo kasi kami, ay, sa mga di nakakilala sa akin, 40 ko talaga pag And before I start reporting, even though by group lang, sabi ako na nagpapakitis. And that gives ko hindi siya like super calm. Alright? Kaya kung manibaw kayo sa akin, please question. Kasi may pakapupulutan kayo.
Anong hawak?
Now, I have special item. Ginawa ka gabi.
Ito ako.
And sino makakatula ko ano yun?
Ito ko sa
Yeah, wala daw na may ano. Ano ba? Sino pa may guess?
Roblox.
Alright. I have this special ball which I call magical ball. I color pink one and a blue one. Because today we're going to play Ball of Motion. Sino nakakalam sa game na Ball of Motion? Anyone?
Ball.
Wala?
Motion.
Simple. Ang purpose ng dalawang bolang is to determine kung sino ang magiging speaker or spokesperson ng bola. And to give a twist, it is an informal debate. Yes. From the word itself, motion, it is a term used in debates. Motions is our arguments that needs to be like pagdebate. Okay? So, bakit nga ba dalawang bola? May speaker tayo dito. And as the music goes, alam mo, itong bola ay magpapasa-pasa nyo sa ano. And kapag mag-stop ang ball sa inyo, kayo ang spokesperson. And kapag na-determine na natin kung sinong spokesperson ng group, ipa-flash ko ang motion sa gitna, ay sa screen, then definitely yung pagdedebate yan. But, otherwise, like collaborative work, anyone can help the speaker. Yung spokesperson. Okay? Alright, let's start.
Buhay ay di karera mo.
Practice po. Guys, don't worry. It's an informal debate. Any language would do. And also, ano pati ang topic nito is super random lang. Sige na. Go guys! stand muna. Stand na muna kung dalawa. Alright, we have Miss. Anong name mo po? Leia and Miss? Janet. Alright. Okay. Wait lang. Bato-bato pick kayo kung sino mag-unang magpipili. Dali, tayo kayo. Bato-bato pick. Oh. 1, 2, 3, go. Bato-bato pick. Bato-bato pick. Ikaw ang unang pipili na. Ikaw ang unang pipili sa motion. Kung alin kung saan mong side. Kung saan gusto mong side, okay? Kung agree ka ba or disagree. Tapos kung alin na hindi. Magpapatuto ka, wait lang. Ipapakita ko muna yung motion, okay? Let's proceed to the motion. 1, guys, especially the speaker, please stand up. Tutulungan niyo siya, guys. 1, 2, 3, motion. 3, 2, 1. Love or money? Ikaw ang may... Since ikaw nanalo sa bato-bato, ikaw ang pipili. Group discussion, 1 minute, go.
Ang gets ko na.
Siya, sabi niya, kung hindi mo
Money gave you one.
What's your side po? What side is it? Ano mo rin? Mine. Oh, tayo ang love. Speaker, this old person will only have 1 minute to deliver their speeches. Okay? Pero pag-conceptualize na kayo. Pwede ko ba na? 1 minute din. Sige na, maganda na kayo. Mag-conceptualize na ako ng mga points, argument.